Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude is moving in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, I am already told in my previous video that I have suggested you to buy at around 60 and now it has made a high of around 65, which I have already told in my previous video, and it has made a high of around 67, which I have already told you in my previous video. You can go and check. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding your silver crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can mail me the link, the mail ID I have provided in the description. Please watch the full video, and if you want to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description. See, what if I tell you that, see, look at this chart, it is continuously in uptrend. Okay, after making a new low, it is continuously in uptrend, and from there it is moving in a particular range, and we can see here is that a pattern is created, okay, upside after, because this is the range where the price of crude is moving, and from there, after crossing this resistance point, it is in uptrend. So what we can see here, okay, if you look at this chart, if the price of crude goes below a level of 64.38, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 63.79, and from there it can touch a level of 63.25, and from there it can touch a level of 62.41. okay, so but what it has to do, it has to break a level of 64.5. okay, if it breaks that level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 63.91. From there it can touch a level of 63.25. What we can expect that once it will come in this particular range, then we can see that it will move in this particular range. So what we can understand here is that once this range is break downside, if the price of crude moves below 64.26, these are for intraday traders or positional traders, I'm telling you. Okay, but overall what I can see here for a longer view, that is only for a longer view, for around for a year or something, because we have seen here that the price of crude is continuously moving in an uptrend. Suppose if the price goes below this level 64.42, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 63.78 also, and if it stays below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 62.99. okay, once if it goes below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 62.35. okay, and if the price of crude goes below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 61. But what you have to understand here is that this is the range where the market was moving before, and if we look at this range, this is the particular range where it's moving. So if it comes down this lane, and if it comes below a level of 62.27, then we will be expecting that it will move in this particular range. And if it moves in this particular range, because we have seen a pattern here created, and that caused it to move upside, and now it is in this particular range. What we can see here is that a pattern is created here in the upside. okay, and then from there it made a new high, months, okay, April's high. So what you can expect that if it goes above, okay, 65.29, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 65.92, and from there we can expect that it can touch a level of 66.72. what we have seen is that 66.72 is already tested twice, so if it comes close to that level, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 67.83. and what we can see here that 83, it is 2 months high. So once if it touches this level, we can expect that if it touch this level, there is chances that it can bounce back from there, or if it crosses this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 69 also, but before that it has to stay above 66.32. okay, so if the price of crude goes below 64.42, then definitely we can see that it can touch a level of 63.86, and if it stays below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 62.91, and if it goes below that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 62.04, then from there we can see that it can touch a level 60.93, but it is a month. We can see that the price of crude was moved up from 57 to a level of 66. That's a huge move from here, because what we have seen that the price of crude moved from 67 to a month's low, that is around 57. That is a same, it has moved up or side also, as compared to that it has moved downside. So once this range, because it is in this particular range, so once this range is break upside, then we can see that it can touch a new high. Okay, so what we can expect that if it goes above 66 level, then we'll be on the buying side. If it goes below a level of 64.49, if stays above below 61, then we can expect that it can again be in the range bound of 61 to 57 till the time it crosses a level of 61.96, and if it goes below a level of 58, then only we can expect that it can go below that level. Or if it stays above a level of 62, then we can expect that it will be in the range bound till 64 to a level of 61. So let this range break upside. If it goes above 66, and then it can touch a level of 68 to 69 also. Or if it comes below a level 64.45, and then it can come a level of 62, then it will be in this particular range. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.